Hello all you creatives, it's Rhonda Church Finfrock of Fruitful Life Studio, and I painted this floral for my daughter Emma Ann using the new Daydream Apothecary Neons by Anissa. I first gave my 12 by 12 canvas a coat of ground control, which is a super bright white. It's perfect for mixing or using with my neon layers. I decided to spritz my background with water to make it flow like a watercolor. When my watercolor background was dry, I used a palette knife by the Turquoise Iris to build in some texture. For the next layer, I'm rolling on white paint onto my IOD Decor stamp and making a slight impression on this canvas. Using the stamped image as a guide, I'm building in a textured layer. I stamped the image again one more time to pick up some of the paint, so now I would have a guide for painting my neons. For the Daydream Apothecary and DIY paints, Turquoise Iris paintbrushes, JRV stencils, and IOD Decor stamps and brayer, visit your local retailers or my website, fruitfullifestudio.com. I am using DIY paint in Little Black Dress and IOD's typesetting decor stamps to stamp the title of this piece, I See Your True Colors. Not only is this one of my all-time favorite songs from the 80s, but my daughter recently performed this for a local Orlando choir. I was so proud to get to see it online. I'm stamping the title again on paper to make a mask before I stamp the flower in black. To support the canvas while I used the flower stamp, I slipped under an IOD gallery board. But look around for a piece of wood. It's a good trick to use when you're stamping on a canvas. I touched up the text with a liner brush and added more highlights to the flower. For a fun touch, I added a JRV stencil using a JRV stencil brush. To seal this piece, I used DIY Big Top. Now it's time to send it off to my amazing daughter, Emma Ann. Let me know if you tried this project, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy creating!